Hi everyone. So in this video, I want to tell you about 3 ways in which you can make passive income even if you have a 9 to 5 job. So number one, you can do affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is when you advertise products or services that you use and you are recommending it to other persons. So you'll get a special link, and once persons click on that link, then you'll earn a commission. Number two, you can sell digital products. So you can sell like ebooks, workbooks, templates, anything that is in a digital form that persons can purchase and download, and you'll make money over and over. And the third one is to invest in dividend stocks. So once you invest in those stocks, you'll get dividends, however the dividends are declared, and you will make passive income. So follow me for more tips. Bye.